Okay guys, welcome back to Str8yaad TV. Today we're gonna make some epic curry goat. This is not the regular curry goat that you just burn oil with guys and just put some curry in it and little garlic. This is a special Indian type of curry goat. So stay tuned, watch the video, we're gonna get right into it guys. One love. Okay guys, so the goat is already washed and clean. You already know how I wash my meat already. So I wash it already, clean it up. I'm gonna put some season on it. You know me always can't let me easy spice, so you know it go already. All purpose. Work with everything. No MSG. I go drop some slap mama. You know it go already. Can't let for season them. Season them are the key. Drop some anti-Maggi. You know how it go, you know. Anti-Maggi kick up the flavor. This stuff will go in there. So this guys gonna have to stay tuned and watch when we go use this. This not going there now. That not going there. Okay. Ground little black pepper. Okay. Little of me complete. Now it go. Turn up the flavor guys. Then we are going to drop in with curry, you know. I will not put too much curry because we are going to burn the curry. And just a little bit we are put on it now to get some flavor. See me? Now we are going. Hand wash already and clean. Mix it in, guys. And you know, guys, I need to put some cooking oil on it, guys, to hold the season. So stay tuned. Alright, so we're going to drop the cooking oil on him. You know it go already, cooking oil make it take season fast and soak. Just mix him in, you understand? Mix him in. Yeah. Guys, so it look like you're ready to eat. So I'm going to go ahead and cut up some onions, scallion, garlic and thyme on it. Put it to soak and then you're going to see when we cook this curry goat and going mad. Flavor going to be up guys. Special request, so we have to cook it today. You know it go. Stay tuned and watch the video. Str8yaad TV. One Str8yaad. So we have put pan it and soak. Cut up some garlic. You know it go already. I like to move fast with my hands, so don't really work with the board too much. But you guys can use a board. Because I know I'm a professional on a knife, man, you know. Put up the onion in him. The flavor soaking overnight. That's scallion, we call it green onion. Hold the flavor. Give him some nice spice. Seasoning on him. Can't do it without the good old Scotch bonnet dino people. Red hot. Kicking. Give him some flavor in him, you know. It's spicy. Nice. Alright, then we just go ahead and mix him in again. I might cover him up and put him down. Now where you go? And soak. Alright, peeps. That is it. Sleep there. Look like you're ready to eat. So stay tuned and wait for the curry goat. The curry goat is all special. Because we have one special ingredients here. We are going to drop it in there when we are cook it. So stay tuned for that. And we have one next secret ingredients. Stay tuned for watch that one there. So stay tuned. Str8yaad TV. Okay guys, here we go. The goat is already seasoned, well soaked, ready to go. So we're going to put him on and we're going to heat up on some curry goat. This curry goat I'm going to cook it in a different style guys, different type of way. Have some special key ingredients here I'm going to put them in. Because this is a request, okay? So I'm going to cook some curry goat and some rice and peas in Sunday dinner style guys. So stay tuned, watch the video. Coming right at you. So right now, we have the pot already hot. Drop a little oil. Not a lot, just a little bit. You know, we don't use a lot of oil around here. Just enough to grease up my pot. Good. Then we'll go ahead and on my pips. Okay, now let's check out the goat. Let's see what's going on with the goat. So it's pretty. No water added, people. It build its own water. It build its own juice. This is how I cook curry goat. I don't water down curry goat. Because curry goat is a thing. If you know to cook it, it build its own juice and everything. Unless you want a long water curry goat. You can add a little water when you're ready. But I'm not going to add none right now. I'm going to cook it all the way down. And then probably add some water. Let's see how the water spring. How it build its own water. Its own juice. Okay? Looking good so far. Look at it. Looking nice and lovely. Nice. Smelling great, people. So stay tuned. Watch the video. And remember if you like the video, guys, when you watch the video. So they can share across the world. Okay? Like and share. Subscribe to the channel. You know it go already. Str8yaad thing. Always giving up good content from start to finish. Anybody can watch the channel and learn to cook who cannot cook. Okay guys, so stay tuned. Okay, at this point I'm going to add some water on my peeps. See? Well cook up and nice. So I'm going to add some water now. Because I'm going to put some potatoes and some in it. So you know it go. See there? Nice. See how long I have to cook it without adding water, guys? It's almost cooked already. Just need to get a little bit more softer. See? Seems like something can eat already, but I'm gonna get it some more soft and nice and juicy. So, I will peel up some potato, set up some things, and put in a hit, and touch him down again. And by that time, ready to eat. So now stay tuned. Look at the gravy. So it's nice and yellow. Go and get thicker when it cook down. So just stay tuned and watch that. Okay, my peeps. Check out the curry goat. Looking fine. Ready to eat on my peeps. So you know what I want? Only thing we add pan him, I have 3 small potato here. Peel and wash and cut up already. Now add him to it on my peeps. Get him cooked down. And ready, you see that? Wow, this goat is off the hook. You see how rich that is, guys? So I'm just gonna add a little bit of water to it, guys. Just to cook down the potato and that's it. I don't need a lot. Because I'm gonna boil it down right back down to gravy again. Yeah, something like that. See me? Yeah. Something like that. Cook him all the way back down. See me? Yep. Need a little bit more. Just enough to kind of cover the meat like and potatoes. Yeah. You can know how rich this is, guys. This is rich and packed of flavor. This is the real Indian style curry cooking here. My dad was a Indian, so I forget something about Indian cooking. Any kind of Indian food, I can cook it. Not because I don't show you guys yet. But I'm waiting to release some of them little by little. Right, so that now, when that cook and the potato cook down and cook to perfection, we done. Pot is in a nice flavor, guys. Don't need nothing more to the pot. You can add to your taste, but I'm sure this is perfect for anybody in this world to eat. Okay, guys? The only thing I add to it just a while ago, because I keep adding a little water because I know the goat is a little tough, I just add a little bit of salt back to boost up the flavor. That's it. Nothing else I don't add to it. So, cook to your taste, cook to your flavor, but at the same time, if you watch this one, you will get straight to the point. Same way I do it. Okay? So, thanks for watching the video. Continue watching the video, guys, and give me a thumbs up and a like, and share the video across the world, guys. Subscribe to the channel. One love. Str8yaad channel. Alright, the peeps, check it out. See him look? See the gravy look rich and nice? We're gonna bring him down like 10 more, 15 more minutes, guys. And then he'll land. See, potato them are melt already. You know the potato them are already cook. So you know how it go. Stay tuned and watch the video. Str8yaad TV. One Str8yaad TV. Authentic cooking around here every day. Wow. This is great. This is very great. This is what we're looking for. Wow. Yep. Rich, thick gravy, guys. You see that? Them Indian curry are mud. This style, when I do it this way, guys, you will never stop eat curry goat. And if you never eat curry goat, you're gonna want to eat curry goat when you try this one, this type of way. This is not the regular cooking curry goat, like just put curry in the pot, burn curry and cook curry goat. This is a different type of style. If you watch the ingredients that I use, the cumin, the bay leaf, the masala. A lot of people don't use masala in a curry when they cook curry. Okay? These are the key ingredients. Okay, guys? I have some crushed black pepper that I beat up, put in it too. Just stay tuned now when I'm going sick. Okay, my peeps. Now we have come to the end of the curry. See how thick it is and rich? Look for the gravy. A normal thing this, yeah? It's on a regular something. An Indian style curry this. It's in a regular curry where you just put some curry in a pot in an oil and burn it and throw curry in it. No. If you watch the ingredients I use in this one, totally different. So stay tuned. We're going to eat some and we're going to dig in it later. It's nice looking and nice man. A long time I'm going to eat some.